Every single AI consultant I speak to has the same problem. They seem to be super smart and they can build amazing things, but every time they sell a project, they seem to be starting from zero. They have a new client, then they scope something new, they write a new proposal, and they're gonna have a new headache. If this sounds like your business right now, then stay with me, because in this video, I want to show you how you can package your AI services in a way that you can resell it again and again as a fixed price with a clear scope and a clear timeline for delivery. But before I jump in and show you how you can create this package, I really want you to understand why is that such a big problem. As I mentioned in previous videos, if you are charging hourly, then right now it's becoming more and more difficult for you to make money because the AI is building things in a massive speed. So the only alternative for you is to charge fixed price for the AI solutions that you're doing. And charging fixed price for something that you haven't done before is a recipe for failure. So you really need to sit down, become disciplined, and actually write down different menus and different packages that a customer can just install in their business and get that value upfront. This will not only enable you to reuse part of these automations, so it makes the delivery quicker and hence you can make more money, but also makes the selling easier, the delivery easier, and especially if you have employees, it makes everything easier to be handed over to them. So with that being said, let me show you what you need to create a packaged service offering so you can start with this right away this week. So there are basically 4 things that you need to make an actual offer. Number 1, you need an offer name. So there's different ways to name your packaged services. Usually you can do an outcome first product name. For example, I can call my packages the sales intelligence system or customer support triage systems, etc. So something that should sound like a box that can be plugged and play in my business rather than just saying AI consulting, which is a little bit vague and nobody would understand what that means. Some of the things to avoid is focus on the outcome and not on the tool. So don't call it end-to-end outreach system. Nobody cares about the end-to-end. People care about this system would be doing my outreach for me, regardless of what is working underneath. Try not to make it generic or, of course, not even giving it a name. Every single package that you want to sell should have a very interesting and catchy name. You can use a little bit of marketing sparkle on top of it to make it more exciting for the customer. Number 2, you need to make sure you have a very clear deliverables that are included in this package. For example, 3 tangible outcomes that the customer would get the moment they buy this off the shelf from you. For example, if you want to sell an AI audit, you can call it as AI sprint program or AI accelerator bootcamp, whatever you want to call it. It should include very clear things. What are you going to be doing to the customer? In my case, I offer enablement session, a hackathon, an AI audit. That could be all included in a one bootcamp that you can offer the customers. And when somebody buys this, they know exactly what they're going to get, which reduce the ambiguity and make the whole onboarding process for the customer much more efficient. The number 3 you need to have is the timeline. You need to know by when do you usually deliver what you're promising to deliver. In my case, it could be a couple weeks, couple days, etc. Smaller stuff needs usually less time. More complicated stuff usually needs more time. And number 4, every single package need to have one specific price. The more clear you are on the price, the less that the customer starts to hesitate. The more vague you are, the more uncertain you are, the more they're gonna start to think that you don't really know what you're doing and you haven't sold this before. So let me show you a short example of what fuzzy is versus tangible. If you see somewhere, maybe on your landing page or you see on someone's LinkedIn, a statement that says, I'll build the automation, I integrate with a CRM, etc. This feels like and freelancer vibe to me. This doesn't feel like a packaged offer. Something like this: I will look at your business and help you integrate ChatGPT to make your team faster. Hourly rate, $150 an hour. All of this doesn't scream to me like a productized offer that I can just pick off the shelf. I'll integrate with the CRM. Okay, what does that mean? But a productized consultant would say, I'm going to be selling you a 3-day Gen AI sales team accelerator. And then inside, you can say the deliverable. We will audit your sales script, custom internal assistant for the reps, and run a 2 hours live session. The price is $4,500 flat fee. This is how a productized service look like. You know it's a 3-day, it's time bound. You know the price, $4,500. And the deliverables, what are the customer going to receive? This sounds like a product. So whatever you're doing, look at it and see, okay, if I show this to somebody, would they think this is a product or would they think this is what I do in my daily life? So very important thing, the name, the price, the time. So this is usually happens after you have a validated offer. If you haven't sold anything yet, you don't know how to package it. So do me a favor, sell some things and then package them into a packaged offer in the system that I just showed you. Put it somewhere on the website and start selling productized services. So I want you to pause this video and think about this homework for a second. I want you to draft a one-page PDF proposal or write a simple landing page outlining your tier 1 discovery offer. So how would you start an engagement with a potential customer that you have? In my case, it was the 14 days AI audit. In your case, it could be something more specific. But whenever you're writing this product, make sure that it has a name, 3 core deliverables, the timeline that you're going to deliver it, and the fixed price. And finally, you can add a buy now or book an audit call as a call to action. That is how you package your services. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're an AI consultant or thinking about becoming one and have been struggling selling custom automations every single time to new customers, I've built a new AI community for exactly this. It's a community where we discuss how to start and grow an AI consulting business in a way that is scalable. The slides that you just saw are slides from the accelerator that I also launched. Inside the community, you'll learn the fundamentals of AI consulting, how to package your services, how to sell them, how to reach out, everything that you need to get you started. So the link is in the description. Make sure to check us out, and I'm looking forward to meeting you there. Take care and see you in the next video.